Opening scene. Workers tying rebars, background construction noise. Ever wondered how massive buildings stand tall and strong? It all starts here with reinforcement work for heavy columns. Close-up of workers tying rebars, using spacers, and checking alignments. These steel reinforcements form the backbone of any high-rise structure. Each bar is carefully placed according to design specifications, ensuring maximum strength and durability. Scene. Workers securing rebars with binding wires. Precision is key. Binding wires hold the rebars together, preventing displacement during concreting. Measuring tools and checking verticality. Engineers and supervisors ensure every measurement is accurate because even a small error can affect the entire structure. Wide shot of the reinforcement cage ready for concreting. And now this steel skeleton is ready for the next step, concreting, a crucial step in building a safe and stable structure. Closing scene. Workers finishing up, project site in the background. Reinforcement work is the foundation of strong buildings. Stay tuned for more insights into construction engineering. Like, share, and subscribe for Civil Engineering Edge. Stay until next video.